Today we're going to talk about what is a beta offer. And your beta offer is the first edition of your framework. It's basically the starter pack of your full coaching framework. It's not the final polished course. That's why I kind of said like the diamond in the rough. The diamond, when you first get it, think of it like you know the value's there, but now you have to take off the parts that you don't want and shape the diamond the way you want to. Think of it also like a slab. Like you're about to carve out an amazing, beautiful sculpture, and you just have like the stone there. You have all the raw materials there, and you have it in the order that you want. And based on your client's feedback, you're going to be cutting and trimming and forming it. Your beta offer has to be strong enough to stand alone. It has to have a transformation, and it has to be open to real-time adjustments. So the moment that you get feedback, and it's pretty common feedback, you should be able to change something, take something out, or add something in, okay? That way, by the time you get through your beta customers, your main offer will be complete. It will no longer be beta. And beta, you usually commonly hear it for software launches. So what's cool about it is that people know now, because there's been enough software launches, that beta means that it's in the testing phase, that you've already put it together and that it works, but there might be a bug here or there. And what's really awesome about this is the flexibility you get from clients, because they know that you're testing something new. If you don't have any testimonials in this new framework that you're working on, giving a beta offer where you exchange people feedback and testimonials for going through the beta offer with you is a great way for you to build on your case studies and testimonials. It's both a win-win. They get a chance to get a transformation out of your framework, either for free or for a reduced price, and they give you a testimonial, whether it's a written review or a video. You work that out, you negotiate that depending on what terms are best for you. Also, this is great if you're transitioning online and you've been coaching offline for a long time, but now you're trying a new offer, an online system, and your framework is designed, using different components online. So it's good to try out a beta offer, because that way you can update it in real time. It's really beneficial. Even if you're super experienced, every single new offer that you come up with should go through a beta phase. I want you to think of your beta offer like this. So you have the bones, which are all the phases, the heart, which is the transformation. Now we're going to be testing how the body moves. You don't need 20 videos or any fancy tech. All you need is structure, clarity, and the courage to launch messy. This is where most people are going to get stuck. They're going to be trying to be perfectionist and being afraid to launch. Not you, you're going live. That's why you're creating this beta offer. And remember, beta means flexibility with integrity. As long as you're transparent and you're intentional and you keep refining as you deliver real value, people will have patience and people will enjoy the process with you as they see you evolving and growing too. Don't let perfectionism get in your head. You have the main structure, you have the bones and the heart. You're ready to rock and roll, and start adding or deleting in real time based on your client's feedback. All right, here real quick to the beta offer checklist. You want to have one clear transformation, a framework that's broken into 3 to 5 simple phases. Each phase has 2 to 5 core steps. Do not overbuild it, but make it deliverable. Make the steps clear and concise for people to be able to get results in each step that they're doing, but don't overbuild it. You'll see working with people what they need more of, what they need less of. Have a clear before and after result that they can see and feel, and a defined format. You can pick one-to-one, group coaching, or a hybrid where you do group and one-on-one, or you can have self-paced. A timeline, whether your program takes 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, a year, and then a beta price or case study incentive, and a clear promise and method, even if it's evolving. If you're feeling brave, go ahead and post your beta offer in the community. It's a great way for you to track your progress. Also, get some feedback from me or other community members. So it's exciting times. Congratulations on your beta offer, and I'm excited to see it.